Hello, welcome back to our French classes. Previously, we talked about adjectives, how they agree in gender and number. We talked about une maison bleue, how the maison, which is a noun, agrees with the adjective bleu. When maison is in a feminine singular, the adjective bleu is also in a singular form, feminine singular form. And when the maison, which is the noun, is in the plural form, the adjective equally will be in the plural form. We also talked about how they dominate, that is, the male or the masculine dominates in a sentence when we talked about adjectives. So today we are going to talk about still on adjectives, but this time around their placement in a sentence, because some adjectives comes before the noun while some come after the noun. Alors, nous allons prendre un exemple comme la voiture bleue ou bien la voiture rouge. Puisque la fois dernière, on a parlé de la couleur bleue. Cette fois-ci, on utilise la couleur rouge. La voiture rouge. Voiture is what? The noun. Rouge is what? The adjective. Describing what? The noun voiture. At this level, the adjective comes after the noun voiture. Now, if we say une grande voiture rouge, une grande voiture rouge, we have two adjectives and one noun. Grand is what? The adjective, it comes before what? Before the noun. Then the second adjective, rouge, comes after the noun. Une grande. Yes, most often the French adjectives, they come after the noun. For example, we have une voiture rouge. The noun is what? Voiture. The adjective is what? Rouge. We have un repas délicieux. Un repas délicieux. A delicious meal. A delicious meal. Un repas délicieux. Repas is what? The noun. Now, délicieux is what? The adjective. It describes what? Le repas. We have un livre intéressant. Un livre intéressant. Le livre, c'est le nom. Et intéressant, c'est l'adjectif. Un livre intéressant. In some particular cases, the adjective comes before the noun. Une belle maison. Une belle maison. At this level, the belle here is adjective, the maison remains the noun. So the belle describes what? The maison. Une belle maison. At this level, the adjective comes before the noun. Also, we have this situation where some adjectives, when they come before the noun, they give the sentence a meaning. But when the same adjective comes after the noun, it gives a different, totally different meaning to that same sentence or to that particular noun. For example, we can say une ancienne maison. Or we say mon ancienne maison. So when we say mon ancienne maison, it means my former house. Mon ancienne maison, my former house. Une maison ancienne. Une maison ancienne, an ancient house. Une maison ancienne, an ancient house. So you see, when the ancient comes before, it gives a meaning, and when the ancient comes after, it gives a different meaning. Are we there? If you are watching this channel for the first time, please kindly check on the previous videos so that you can follow up with the classes. Merci, à la prochaine, salut.